Hey guys, this is Thomas with Poor Man Racing. Did the template today for the dash. We're gonna try that out, get it fitted before I have to go get more hole saws. The ones I got off a coworker are meant for wood. So don't mind the messed up cuts and everything, but we're gonna get this done as best as possible, literally as neat as possible that we can, without having to order a whole new dash. All right, so I'm gonna start working on that. See you guys here in a second after this intro. All right, guys, so I got the template cut out at work. I know it's not the best, but it will hold everything that we need. Sorry, we're trying to do this off of my phone because I can't seem to unlock my GoPro that someone locked by accident. So hopefully you guys are enjoying this. I'm marking everything out, getting it ground down on the edges so that way I can get it to fit better. We're just gonna try to go from there, see what all we can do. Alright guys, this is what we got so far. Sorry for the finger right there. A little bit more beating, putting into place. Get that popped up, put another screw in there. Gotta get the right screws. They were just what I had laying around for test fitting. But I think all in all that'll make a good dash piece. Yeah, it's got some overhang. But all in all, should be perfectly fine for what I'm trying to do. See a spot that needs cut for the vent, for the floor vent. Yep, that's gonna have to be cut right there. See if we get something going on. Trying to bring you guys more footage as much as I can. I got off work a little bit earlier. So we're gonna put the water gauge and the oil pressure gauge right about here. I'm gonna do a volt gauge right about there. I'm gonna do my shift light roughly here, maybe in the middle. Do my tack. I have a satellite speedometer to go in this car. It's gonna go right about there. My switch panel is going right here. So yes, that fancy little thing is going right there. We're gonna get the seats back in after we get more carpet, because as you can see, this is nasty looking. It needs a lot of work. But we're slowly getting there. Slowly getting a little bit of time. Trying to figure out what I can get done. We will use the high beam switch down there in the bottom corner right about there. So that way we can activate our blue LEDs. Yes, I have blue halos on the headlights. Let me show you guys those real quick. Please don't mind the mess on the car right now. But as you can see, halos right up here will be blue. Right there, they will be blue. The headlights will function properly. So all I have to do is hit the high beams. It will go from the regular bulb to the LED. Ooh, excuse me. I just ate some barbecue and it ain't agreeing with me. Sorry about that, guys. But yes, it will go to blue as soon as I hit the high beam light. So low beams will kick off. High beams will turn on. And I did get a Jags magazine in yesterday. Finding some parts that I want. Does need cleaned up. We're slowly getting everything together. I know this is one backyard, junkyard, carport build. So with all of that, I made a little bit of progress today. Cut some stuff out at work. Just a template. Got to get the correct screws. But hopefully this will be done relatively quick. I got some stuff to do around the house here in the next month or so, like replace my roof. I'm going to knock the roof out. Don't mind the dogs in the backyard. They're a little bit wild up. They hear me talking right now. Got to do the roof. Got to get the old crusty Dodge's transmission fixed. It's still slipping, even worse than when it was. So I got to come up with $1,200 to get that fixed. Trying to get both of these cars done. And I have yet to show you guys my son's Honda. We're going to look at that just for a brief second. And then hopefully everything goes good. Here's my son's crusty Honda I gave him. It's a good car. It's literally got 151,000 on it. 98 model. It runs, it drives. No AC, but a good little car. Works perfectly fine. He's been stocking up, slowly getting pieces. Has a little gasket leak in the back where the drain plugs are supposed to be plugged. Now it has a drain plug, almost like a boat. But we're slowly getting this car pieced together so that way we can start doing a turbo build on it. Alright guys, with that, I'm going to get out of here. So if you haven't done yet, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications next time I upload. Hopefully whenever we do another video, here hopefully this week, maybe next week, I should have more done on the Dodge. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.